Hello, I'm Hilary from Jiggery Pokery Embroidery Kits. I'm going to show you how to do Lazy Daisy stitch. That's the second one in on this oval shape on my embroidery sampler kit, also known as my Learn to Embroider kit. I've done a couple here that you can see, but I'm just showing you that I've also marked out the shape of the stitches so you can see the oval shapes that you're going to be creating, and you know exactly where to put the stitch, what size to do it as well. So bring the needle up at the bottom of the stitch, the bottom of the oval, and you can see I'm holding the thread out of the way with my left hand, pushing it back down right next to where I first brought the thread out, and then pulling the thread just loosely, sort of looped around my thumb. And you can see that's forming a loop shape. So with my needle, I'm bringing the needle tip back up at the top of the oval shape and gently pulling the thread through. And you can see, because I'm pulling it gently, it keeps the shape a nice fat oval shape. The harder you pull the stitch, the longer and thinner the stitch will be, and sometimes that's useful, but on this one you want them to be nice and even. So you're just holding it in place with that little stitch going over the top of the oval shape. So I'll do another one for you, coming up at the bottom of the stitch. Put the needle back in, keep that loop there with your hands. Take the needle through at the top of the oval shape, pull it through gently, and then to secure it, you just do a little tiny stitch over the top of the loop. And you can see that stitch at the top holds it in place, and you've got a nice little row of oval Lazy Daisy stitches there.